Start with the beautiful name of Allah. Pinch of Life presents chicken Jalfaraze. Kindly pen down the yummy recipe of chicken Jalfaraze. Firstly, we take boneless chicken chunks. Put them in a water for boiling. Add 1 tsp salt. Now add cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper. Mix it well. When water dries, add oil in a pan. Take tomatoes, cut them, and cloves of garlic. Fry the chicken in oil, turn into golden brown. Add green chilies. Mix it well. Now add tomato puree. Mix it well. Now add turmeric powder. Now add coriander powder. Mix it well. When chicken takes this condition, add black pepper. Mix it well. Now add yogurt into chicken. Mix it well. At this stage, add cube-cut onions and capsicum. Mix it well. Here's our chicken Jalfaraze is ready to serve. Bon appetit! Enjoy Jalfaraze with naan, yogurt and salad. If you like chicken Jalfaraze, please like. If you like
share
Pinch of
and
Life,
subscribe.
please do comments and share your valuable
Thanks for watching.
suggestions.